Ready to unlock a more precise way to analyze your time-based data in Tableau, aligning with industry standards for seasonal insights. First, let's connect to your data source, like a spreadsheet or database. Ensuring your dataset includes a date field. We'll be using a date field to categorize the data. Drag your date field to your columns or rows shelf depending on how you wish to visualize your data. This action sets the foundation for our week-based analysis. Now, click the date pill on your shelf and select the drop-down option for More. Within More, click on the Custom option, which will then open the Custom Date menu. In the Custom Date menu, look within the Custom Date drop-down option. You'll find options for different date formats. Choose week number ISO start week to align with the standard meteorological week numbering. Witness the magic. Tableau will transform your data to display based on standard meteorological weeks, enabling insights into seasonal trends. This shift now aligns the data with established industry reporting standards. For better visualization and ease of analysis, consider changing the date label on the columns or rows shelf to Discrete by clicking the Fields drop-down and selecting Discrete. And there you have it. Now you can accurately track seasonal trends and patterns within your data with standard meteorological week reporting in Tableau. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to learn next.